5 teachers are competing to see who can sell the most raffle tickets at the school carnival. This table shows how many raffle tickets each teacher sold in the given time frame. Mr. Salinas in 10 minutes sold 4 tickets. Mrs. Ray in 15 minutes sold 5 tickets. Mr. Griffin in 20 minutes sold 9 tickets. And Ms. Hurd in 30 minutes sold 12 tickets. If each teacher's rate remains the same, who will have sold the most tickets after an hour? If you haven't had a chance to complete this problem, pause the video and look for a solution. Once you have an answer, restart the video and check to see how you did. The first thing I noticed that the time right here is in minutes, but here it's in hours. So I need to change my hour into minutes. 1 hour is equal, sorry, I need to hold my paper, is equal to 60 minutes. That's the first thing I need to know, okay? So Mr. Salinas in 10 minutes needs 4 tickets, and I want to know how many he sells in 60 minutes. So I come over here and I set up my proportion. He sold 4 tickets in 10 minutes, and I want to know how many tickets he sells in 60 minutes. 10 times what gives me 60? Times 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. So I know in 60 minutes, Mr. Salinas sold 24. So I'm going to write that right next to his name. All right, Ms. Ray in 15 minutes sold 5. So I'll set up her proportion. 5 tickets in 15 minutes. I want to know how many she sells in an hour, which is 60 minutes. 15 times what gives me 60? Well, 15 times 2 gives me 30. Add 15 to that, that's 45. So 15 times 3 is 45. Add 15 to that, 45 plus 15 is 60. So 15 times 4 is 60. So 5 times 4 is 20 tickets. So Mrs. Ray sells 20 tickets. Now let's look at Mr. Griffin. His was 20 minutes, 9 tickets. So 9 tickets in 20 minutes. And I want him for 60 minutes. 20 times 3 is 60, because 2 times 3 is 6. So 9 times 3 is 27 tickets. So Mr. Griffin has sold 27 tickets. An ugly 7. And lastly, Ms. Hurd. In 30 minutes, she sold 12 tickets. So 12 tickets in 30 minutes. How many tickets in 60 minutes? And if you'll notice, in all of my proportions, all of my units are corresponding. My tickets are on the top here, minutes on the bottom. Tickets on the top here, minutes on the bottom. Tickets on the top, minutes on the bottom. Tickets on the top, minutes on the bottom. Remember that in your proportions, your units have to match top and bottom. So if I put minutes on the bottom here, they're on the bottom here. Tickets on the top here, they have to be here. I know that 30 times 2 is 60, so 12 times 2 is 24. So Mrs. Hurd sold 24. Now my question says, if each teacher's rate remains the same, which we did, who will have sold the most after 1 hour? So who will have sold the most after 60 minutes? 24, 20, 27, 24. The most is Mr. Griffin with 27. That would be our answer. Thanks to my remote for holding my paper.